home improvement shows have destroyed people's lives.
Hi, I'm Natalia. I'm the dopamine designer. I help people create spaces that they love. And I used to be a real estate agent. I did it for about 6 years, and I helped people sell a lot of homes. And this clip is really interesting to me because even if the house was completely neutral and had a mass appeal to everybody that was going to buy a home, I would still tell my clients to paint their house because nothing sells a home more like a fresh coat of paint. So it's kind of sad to me that people will only decorate or paint their homes in colors that they think that will be appropriate to sell sometime in the future. And look, I actually don't agree with them about how it's ruining everything because some people do like those more neutral colors that have a mass appeal. They are objectively beautiful. That's why everybody likes them, and that's totally fine. But I don't think that you should decorate your home for the next person because you're gonna have to make changes to sell or move anyways. So why not make it a space that's unique to you? And if that's something that you find interesting, I do webinars every Thursday. The link to register is in my bio. I hope to see you there.